Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today we are going to deal with the four operations. What are the four operations in mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let us go first with addition. What is addition? Combining a group of objects or combining numbers together is called addition. And in addition, we always go with forward counting. And we already learnt in class 4 adding 4 and 5 digit numbers. The same process is followed for 6 and 7 digit numbers even. Now, in addition, the numbers we add are known as addends. Here see this 4,356 plus 2,738. These two numbers are being added here. Those are called as addends. And the answer you get after addition is called the sum. Sum is nothing but the result we get after addition. And let us know about the properties of addition. Properties of addition. Shashank. Let us go with the properties of addition. Commutative property. When two numbers are added, the sum does not change even if the order of the numbers is changed. 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So even if the order is changed, the result will not change. The sum remains the same. Here 2,120 plus 3,450 equals 5,570. And 3,450 plus 2,120 is also 5,570. The sum does not change. And associative property. When 3 or more numbers are added together, the sum remains the same even if the grouping of the numbers or addends is changed. For example, pause. Karthik. For example, we have taken three numbers 1,000, 1,500 and 4,200. We are changing the addends and we are adding them. So we are changing the order of the addends and we are adding. Even though we have done that, we have got the same result 6,700. See here 1,000 plus 1,500 plus 4,200 and 4,200 plus 1,000 plus 1,500. Just we have changed the grouping of the numbers and we have added. There is no change in the result. And additive inverse. If a number and negative of the same number are added, we get 0. For example, 3,564 plus minus of this negative of this number is minus the 3,564. When we add this, we get 0. Both get cancelled and we get 0. This number is the additive inverse of this number. 3,564 is the additive inverse, minus 3,564 is the additive inverse of 3,564. If the number and the additive inverse are added, we always get 0. Next, coming to the final property, that is additive identity. Property is the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself, and 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. 0 plus 4,263 is equal to 4,263, that is equal to 4,263 plus 0. If 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum will be the number itself. Yeah, let us add these bigger numbers here. We have three numbers here, 5 crores 49 lakhs 36,128, 24 lakhs 49,172, 8 lakhs 24,946. The instruction is arrange in columns and add. The vertical arrangement is called as columns and the horizontal arrangement is known as rows. So we have to arrange them in columns and add. We have here 8 digits here, so write the place values like this. Places like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So we have arranged this: 5 crores 49 lakhs 36,128. Next one is, we have only 7 digits here, so 24 lakhs 49,172. Or else you can arrange the number from one's place to the left. Like this you can write the number. And next number is 8 lakhs 24,946. You can write like this: 6 in the ones, 4 in the tens, 9 in the hundreds, 4 in the 10,000s, 4 in the thousands, 2 in the 10,000s, 8 in the lakhs. If you arrange from one's place like this, you can never go wrong in the arrangements of the digits here. So here there is no digit in the crores, here there is no digits in the 10 lakhs and crores. And always start adding from the ones place only. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Carry over 1. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. Carry 1 to the hundreds. 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1 to the thousands. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 1, 20. Carry 2 to the 10,000s. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 1, 22. Carry 2 here. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And bring down 5. The sum of these 3 numbers is 5 crores 82 lakhs 10,246 is the sum of these numbers. In this way you can arrange in columns and one below the other in the exact places. You can easily add. Now let us go with the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers in the box. Wait. Here 3 numbers are given and their sum is also given here. We have some missing numbers in this and we have to fill in the missing numbers by adding. The first row is 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 is written here, carry 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, plus 6, 19. Write 9 here and carry 1 here. Coming to this, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. And the sum is given as 9 here. For this box, you have to take this 9 minus this 4. we get 5 here. Check your answer. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Our answer is right. Next here. 6 plus 1, 7. And the answer is 6 here. So to get the number here, we should consider the sum as 16 here. For this, 16 minus 7. 16 minus these two sum. 7 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So 6 here, this carry 1 to this place now. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Our answer is right here. So carry 1 here. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 6 in this blank and carry over 2 here. Here, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So here it is 1. So the next number after 9 is 10 and 11. So right here, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 9. It will be 2 here. So the sum is 11. We should carry 1 to here. 1 is written here already. And the sum is 11 here by adding this 2. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Here it is 18. There it is 8. So it might be 18. So 18 minus 11, 18 here, 8 plus 2 plus 10 plus 11, 18. Carry over 1 here. 18 minus 11 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. Carry 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. In this way, you need to fill the missing blanks by using these numbers in the answer or the sum given. Yes, let us go with the word problems on addition now. The keywords in the word problems on addition will be mostly altogether, total, sum and in all. By reading the sum and by observing these words, we can identify that it's a word problem on addition. Now, find the sum of greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number. Greatest 7-digit number. What is it? What is it? 99 lakhs 99,999. It is the greatest 7-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number. What is smallest 8-digit number? 1 crore. After 10 lakhs we get 1 crore. So 1 crore can be written as like this. 1, comma zeros in all the other places. This is the smallest 8-digit number. Add these two. We know that 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus any number is the same number. Bring down 9 here. 9. So the sum is 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum is 1 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. That is the sum of greatest 7-digit number and smallest 8-digit number. Yeah, here is a problem for you. The expenditure of a company in 2015 was rupees 58 crores 14 lakhs 39,650. and the expenditure increased by rupees 18 crores 20 lakhs 49,819 in the next year, that is in 2016. How much money did the company spend in 2016? Expenditure is nothing but money spent. So, in the year 2015, the money spent was this much, and in the next year, the increase in expenditure was given. So, it was increased by 18 crores 20 lakhs 49,890. So, what is the money spent, total money spent in 2016? We have to find out. For this, I will tell you an example. You have 200 rupees pocket money in this year. Next year, it was increased by 300 rupees. What will be the total pocket money in the next year? 200 plus the increased money 300, that is 500. In the same way, here also, expenditure in 2015 is this much, and the increase in expenditure is given. It is not the total money spent in 2016. It would only the increased amount. So, you have to find the total money or total expenditure in 2016. For this, what you have to do? Add this increased amount to the expenditure of 2015. Then you will get the total money spent in 2016. 0. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Or 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. Carry 1 here. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. And 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. The total money spent in the 2016, in the year 2016 was 76 crores 34 lakhs 89,540. So, you can easily add the word problems if you understand the meaning of the problem, and we can apply these additions in our daily life situations. So, this is about word problems. Now, let us solve a magic square. Here is a magic square for you. Twelve, 28, 34, 49. So the rule is rows, columns, diagonals should get the same sum. See here, 12, 34, 49. 12, 34, 49. 15, 95. The total is 95 here. So you have to add these two. 49 plus 28. 49 plus 28, how much? 77. This should be subtracted from this. 15 minus 7, 18. You will get 18. The sum is 95. And 12 plus 28 is 40. 55 will be the missing number here. This 95 minus 50. This is 95 minus 50. This is 95 minus 77 to get this number. Here 55 plus 34 is 89. 6 is the here. 49 plus 6, 55. Here 40 we get. 46, 49 is 95. And 40 plus 2, 52. 95 minus 52. 43. 95 minus 52, 43. In this way, if you add this way, you get 95. If you add this way, you get 95. If you add this column wise, the 95. Here also 95 you get. This is a magic square. Either you add in rows, columns and diagonals, you get the sum 95. Just one diagonal is given here. The sum of these numbers is 95. So consider the sum of these rows as 95 and subtract the sum of these two numbers from 95. You will get like this. 95 minus 77, how do you get? 49 plus 28, 77. These two numbers, sum you should subtract from 95, you get 18. In this way you can fill in the boxes from the magic squares like this. Now let us go with the second operation, subtraction. Here let us go with subtraction now. In subtraction we have two numbers, and the bigger number from which we subtract, that is known as minuend, and the number that we subtract is known as subtrahend, and the answer we get is known as difference. These are the three terms. The bigger number is minuend, the number we subtract, that is the smaller number, is subtrahend, and the difference is the answer we get after subtraction. And remember that minuend will always be smaller, the difference will always be smaller than the minuend. And we shall check the subtraction by adding difference plus subtrahend, we get the minuend. The subtrahend difference, minuend. This is the checking of subtraction or verification of the subtraction. We shall add the difference and the smaller number. Subtrahend plus difference gives you the bigger number. That is, we verify the subtraction in this way. Arrange in columns and subtract. Columns and subtract. Two numbers are given and you have to arrange in columns. Always you have to write the bigger number first, and 32 crores 58 lakhs 18,642 from 58 crores 19 lakhs 12,108. always you have to subtract from this number this. From that number should be written first. Never write this number first. It is 58 crores and it is 32 crores, and we are asked to subtract this number from this number. So this should be written first. Minus 32 crores 58 lakhs 18,642. 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 4 4, 1 minus 6, borrow from 2, this becomes 11, this becomes first 1, 11 minus 6 is 5, and this 1 minus 8, again borrow from here, this becomes 11, 11 minus 8, 3, this becomes 0 now. As we have borrowed this one to here, this becomes 0. 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract any number from 0. So we shall borrow from here. This becomes 8. This becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 8, 0. This becomes 11 again. 11 minus 5, 6. This becomes 7 now. After borrowing, this becomes 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. To check this, add these two. 6 plus 2, 8. 8. 11. 12. 11. 9, 11, 8. So we got the minuend or the bigger number after addition in these two, after adding these two. In this way, you can check or verify our subtraction is right or wrong. So our this after adding we got this, and both the numbers minuend and this is the same, so our subtraction is right. Okay.